I'm back here in Amplify land, trying to figure out where I'm gonna mount these things. Kind of like them. Hey sis, what man? What we gonna? I'm just gonna sit them on top of the amplifier. I'm gonna put them on your tires in the front. What are you gonna go in the front? You tell me. Put them on. I'm gonna put them on the battery.
You throw this bitch phone on the dash.
On the dashboard. She ain't getting no trouble. Huh. Okay. Maybe some trouble today. I got one line out on 1x9. I got another line out on the other x9. I know some of y'all audio engineers are looking like, no, you shouldn't be doing that. Hey man, sometimes do what you gotta do to make things happen for the time being. And this is just for the time being. So we can upgrade to some good audio control goodness. Or maybe a Fosgate 360 or something like that. You know, some type of DSP. But for now, this will do just fine. I mean, we're not hooking up no Audison processors or no Hertz high energy or no, you know, top of the line CT or Fosgate Pros or nothing like that. So we're just doing some good old fashioned goodness here. Good bass add-on. So that's what we on. Yep. Hey sis, you got any masking tape? Painter's tape? Just asking. Oh, y'all ain't got no painter's tape, man. Let me see it.
I got that shit that you ship boxes off with a USPS and shit.
Let me see it.
You sure?
Yep. It's not for this. It's not for no wires. I ain't using it for the install. I'm using it for something else. I want to try something. Use it as a vacuum cleaner. Clean up some of this dust and mess with it. Yeah, I don't like all this dust, you know. Dust ain't good. Rack is good. The dust ain't. So, yeah. If you guys are wondering, that's what I'm going to use the tape for. Kind of cool that Dodge actually put a DVC subwoofer in the rear deck. That's really nice. It's an Alpine option, so she got the Alpine system in here, and I'm not really trying to pull them speakers out and, you know, just mess with it. And there's nothing wrong with it. If something ain't broke, don't fix it. So we're just adding a little something onto it. She got more bass, she needs more tweet. So that's what we're doing. Alright, so here we are. Temporary. Good bass. Subs ain't playing yet, because I ain't flipped the switch. Just added that in. Looking good. And this is the car. Yeah, Candy Baby.
Yeah.